Did you know your home's exterior might be giving you visual clues that the foundation has settled? Hey, I'm Cody, and I'm here to tell you 4 clues that you can use to look outside your home to see if you need to fix the foundation. Number 1 is cracked stucco. If your home's exterior is made out of stucco, take a look around outside the home and see if there's any cracks in the home's exterior. Typically, they'll be around a door frame or even a window frame, and foundation settlement cracks are usually in a diagonal formation. Number 2 is chimney separation. So if you have a chimney on your home, go outside, take a look at it, and inspect its health. Number 1 thing of a failed foundation is a gap at the top. You're going to see that, you're going to see cracks in the brick or the exterior of the chimney. So if you see anything abnormal with it, especially if it's starting to tip and bleed, that's a major red flag. And number 3, foundation cracks. So if you look at your home's foundation and you see a crack in there, it could be a sign that your foundation has shifted. Take a look at multiple cracks, especially cracks that are wider at the top than the bottom. It's shown that the foundation has moved in that area. And the 4th clue is an uneven roof line. So some of you can take a look from back, look at the roof, and you'll just know whether it's settled or dipped in a particular area. So if you see that you have a sag or the roofing has started to stretch, it could be a sign that the foundation under that area has failed. If you see any of these 4 symptoms in your home, be sure to call us because they may be a sign of foundation settlement. If you want to learn more, visit our website at truelevelconcrete.ca or give us a call and we'll be able to help you out.